I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Thursday, June 5th. Soybeans and corn both ended the session modestly higher, finding some short covering support along with spillover from the lower move in the dollar index during the session and the higher trade in crude oil. Soybeans did lead the way though, and some optimism about some planned trade talks between the United States and China. Still a lot of unknown details about that though. Weekly export numbers on both corn and soybeans not great overall. Planting and development weather looks largely favorable across most of the Midwest and Plains over the next few days. Wheat was mixed. Chicago and Kansas City were up on that dip in the dollar index during the session, while Minneapolis was mixed with some rainfall in the forecast for parts of the northern U.S. Plains and the Canadian prairies. Live and feeder cattle were sharply higher, supported by another round of sharply higher direct cash cattle business during the session. This time it was $8 higher than a week ago on the live basis in Kansas at $2.30. Still no dressed business yet. That's probably going to wait until Friday. We'll see what happens over the next few hours. And hogs closed mixed, adjusting spreads with the ongoing questions about sustained domestic and export demand. The wholesale market domestically has been mixed this week, and while China did lead the way for U.S. pork export sales over the past week, it remains to be seen if that's going to continue into next week's report. With the closing market minute for Thursday, June 5th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.